Hi kids, let's learn about animals. First, we have pets. And in pets, we have birds. Bird, cat, dog, fish, guinea pig, hamster, hedgehog, mouse, rabbit, rat, turtle. Then we have wild animals. Bear, chipmunk, deer, fox, gorilla, koala, monkey, orangutan, panda, skunk, sloth, wolf. Then we have farm animals. Bull, chicken, cow, donkey, duck, goat, goose, horse, pig, rooster, sheep, turkey. Then we have safari animals. Bison, camel, elephant, giraffe, hippo, kangaroo, leopard, lion, llama, mammoth, rhino, tiger, zebra. Clapping, we have all these. Next we have birds. Dodo, dove, eagle, flamingo, hummingbird, ostrich, owl, parrot, peacock, swan, toucan, and woodpecker. We have all done, and next we have insects. Ant, bee, beetle, caterpillar, cockroach, cricket, fly, lady beetle, mosquito, scorpion, spider. Next we have reptiles. Chameleon, crocodile, frog, lizard, snail, snake, worm. Clapping, we have all done. Goodbye.